Hello ma, good morning. How are you? You all wearing mask when going out? I coming out, that is why wearing mask. Today morning 6 o'clock wake up. My eyes full red. But you all missing me no. I thought I will make a Insta story and say good morning to all of you. I putting black nail polish for shoot also. I'll tell you more. Generally when I wake up only I'll feel like talking to you. Anyways, good morning guys. One more thing I forgot saying. Today I'm wearing one black nice short dress. I don't know, first time I'm wearing short. Oh my god, someone came by.